So, what exactly is the transform component? In Unity, every game object has a transform component, which defines its position, rotation, and scale in 3D space. It's like the DNA of an object, determining where it is, how it's facing, and how big or small it appears. Let's break it down. The transform component has three main properties, each recorded as vector 3s. Position determines the object's location in the scene. Rotation defines the object's orientation or which way it's facing. Scale adjusts the object's size along the X, Y, and Z axes. The transform component also plays a crucial role in understanding parenting and coordinate spaces. Objects can be parented to one another, affecting how their transforms interact. Remember, local space is relative to the object's parent, while world space is the absolute coordinate system of the scene. Now, let's explore how to manipulate the transform component through scripts. This gives you dynamic control over the object's position, rotation, and scale during gameplay. It's essential to use scripting for dynamic changes and animations. In the first script, you can apply the values directly through the code and adjust your values there. This gives you the ability to apply maths and physics without creating new variables. In the second script, you can use variables to allow access from other game objects and for readability of code. It also helps when testing code in Unity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the transform component in Unity. It's the backbone of spatial representation, enabling you to bring your game objects to life in the 2D and 3D world.